Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. In today's video, it's going to be very simple. I'm just going to share with you how I did my Christmas hot cocoa tier tray. So grab a nice hot cocoa and let's get started. So this is my tier tray. It's a 3-layer stand and I use this over and over. It's very versatile and I like the warm feel to it. So the first thing I'm doing is grabbing my absolute 2 favorite mugs, my little snowman mugs. I've had these for years and I use them over and over. And I'm going to place one in the middle and one in the bottom. Then I'm going to use 3 little jars. I got these at the Great Canadian Dollar Store and it has a beautiful little wooden top on it. So I put hot cocoa in one, mini marshmallows in the other, and then the third one has sugar. And I'm just going to beautify these a little bit. So I'm using some candy cane string, I guess is what I want to call it. And I'm just gonna cut a piece of it and put that around the top of my jar, and I'm going to tie it with a double knot. I have purchased this little set of decorative piece and it has cute little mittens. These are of wooden, so they're super cute. So I'm gonna use that and put that in front of my jar and tie it with a double knot. And just cut the string to the length desired. And that's what it looks like. It just makes it a little bit more festive. As I'm doing my second one, I'm realizing that I like it better with a bow up front. So I'm going to go ahead and make all 3 the same, but with a bow instead of just a double knot. And I also make little knots at the end of my string so it doesn't come apart. Now I'm going to use some candy cane and I like to use them as a stir stick. So I'm going to go ahead and use a cute little snowman jar that I have on hand that matches my mugs, and I'm going to put some candy cane in it. I have these 3 beautiful mini mason looking jars, I guess, and I am going to fill these with some cake sprinkles, and I like to sprinkle them over my whipped cream over my hot chocolate. So I'm going to go ahead and use what I have on hand. I found some tier tray packs at Walmart and I've bought 2 packs, and this one here is a hot cocoa pack, so it was perfect. And I bought the other one because I wanted to use the little trees that were in it, so this makes my life a whole lot easier. So I'm just going to go ahead now and randomly place them where I think they are going to look good. So I may change things around a couple of times, but I think the result will be fine at the end. I have 2 beautiful mini wooden spoons that I use to scoop my hot cocoa and sugar. And because I'm running out of room, I'm going to put my sprinkle jars on the back. And I have 2 little wooden candy canes, decorative piece, and I'm just going to place them in there as well. I really love this little hot cocoa tier tray stand. I think everything blends in together perfectly, and my daughter and I really enjoy and have this all ready for herself because we love having hot cocoa while watching a nice Christmas movie. These little wooden mitts adds the perfect touch to these jars, and these Walmart pieces are just perfect. Well, that's it for this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. It was very short and simple. Anybody can do this. It's just sometimes a matter of throwing the idea out there for you to be inspired by. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. I want to hear your comments down below, of course. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel and you like what you see, well, please hit that red button. Until next time, have yourself a great day.